What go on, my people? So, Sean Paul has become the topic of interest to everybody since him going at 97 with Charlamagne the God and saying eat pum pum. Him actually admit saying eat pum pum, which in turn around and I denied. But personally, me feel like say he admits saying do it because he actually do it and just say no, he not eat pum pum just because he want to play it off. You see me, I say that's my personal view. But you see, to each their own. So me not go throw a stone. Because what you know, a whole heap of people I do it and not go deny it. You see me, I say a whole heap of Jamaican man I do it and not go deny it, whether them are artists or not. A whole heap of man I do it and not deny it because a whole heap of woman we meet sometime we say why this a man I do certain things to them and it's surprised to know because nobody born it like them man there. You see me, I say? So people, even your same friend where they decide that you are bunny, him probably a do it too. So if you see people run out and a bash Sean Paul, and that's why I can't tell say, if you catch them in the act with your Kodak, them all would have catch heart attack. Because what? They feel like say boy, nobody no know say them a do it. But somebody always a go out the way, I go bring them dark to light, so to speak. Because the whole heap of man hide the whole heap of things, people. So, if people, when you see a bash Sean Paul, them same one take place tonight. You see me, I say? So now watch what them a do. I, for one, don't orally ingested vaginal cavity, but me not throw a stone. You see me, I say? To each their own. And big up to Judah Cambridge. Peace. I'm out.
True me say take body jam and pussy that be good. The whole of them talk about me slap. And behind people back, them a climb pan man back. If you catch them in a the act with your Kodak, them all do that catch heart attack. Nothing nice like when a girl whine from my cocky till me pop. So more pussy for me body, that me a study. Jump to Chevy, when you say me lazy, more body for your pussy. Cause it's so say mushy, Japan mushy mushy. But me not talk sushi, more pussy for me body, that me a study. Jump to Chevy, when you say me lazy, more body for your pussy. Cause it's so say mushy, Japan mushy mushy. But me not talk. Me no ungrateful chucky, now walkie and lucky. Pussy tight and tucky, me be place stuck and kick me ball through your whole like Rocky. While this a sucky, now me like Kentucky. Give me a Guinness and a $20 bag of cut and big drop a dirty. Love that I can walk up in what. Who be frightened? Me no afraid of dopey. So society, this is my priority. Me say more pussy for me body, that me a study. Jump to Chevy, when you say me lazy, more body for your pussy. Cause it's so say mushy, Japan mushy mushy. But me not talk mushy, more pussy for me body, that me a study. Jump to Chevy, when you say me lazy, more body for your pussy. Cause it's so say mushy, Japan mushy mushy. But me not talk. Hey, every day at the same question from cyclist, motorist, pedestrian. While you do slack song, good question. Take body teach girls to not on lesbian. Pussy jar teach man for the man. Big man, not a small nor beanie man. If you don't like the style nor the slang, by silly in the hand, can we not stop say more pussy for me body,